Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pay your fare. You must buy a ticket before boarding a train or light rail car. Tickets are also required before boarding buses at Port Authority Bus Terminal. At other bus stops, you can tell the driver where you are going and deposit the required bus fare. Most local buses require exact change in coins or $1 bills.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The PATH system does take MetroCards, but only pay-per-ride cards, unlimited MetroCards not accepted, though there is no free transfer between PATH and the NYC Transit system. NJ Transit. NJ Transit is a commuter rail system that connects NYC, via Penn Station, to cities all across New Jersey.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Visit our app page for details. NJ Transit sells tickets and bus passes at major bus terminals, bus park and ride lots, bus garages, and select rail and light rail stations from ticket vending machines (TVMs) and/or staffed ticket windows.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
NJ Transit today launched its new Quick Tick program, which allows monthly bus, rail and light rail ticket holders to purchase their monthly passes online. With a point-and-click, the new Quick Tick program will allow the company's most frequent customers to avoid lines at ticket windows and vending machines.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.